Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings missing or not showing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on NVIDIA account portal, this is the perfect time for you to create your account, and by following these options, you can log in using your Google account, your Discord, your Apple, your Facebook. When you click on the more options, try to choose from here and follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, experiencing issues where the NVIDIA control panel display settings are missing or not showing can be very frustrating, especially if you need to adjust your graphic settings for gaming or other applications. Because number one, outdated or corrupted NVIDIA graphics drivers can cause the control panel settings to disappear or become inaccessible. Now, the first thing is try updating your NVIDIA drivers right here, okay? And look for updates. Now, if it's ready right here, all you have to do is click on download to the latest version from the NVIDIA website. And of course, I am using the NVIDIA GeForce Experience software to automatically check for installing updates. All right. Now, the next step that you can do is, hover down to your search window on the Windows and look for the device manager. Okay. Now, you want to make sure that the NVIDIA is connected properly to your computer. As you can see, it's already here. So let's move along. The next step is, now after that, go to the NVIDIA control panel, because sometimes if it's not installed correctly during the graphics driver installation process, you might want to go here to fix this. You can perform a clean reinstall of the NVIDIA graphics driver, ensuring that the control panel component is selected during installation, right here. And this may be set to not display in the Windows context menu or system tray. Now, to check this, right-click on your desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel and make sure the display settings are configured to show in the appropriate location. All right. Now, in the event that you tried all these troubleshooting steps and are still experiencing issues with the NVIDIA control panel display settings, consider reaching out to the NVIDIA support for further assistance. Of course, they can provide specific guidance based on your system configuration and software environment. All right, just choose the applicable situations here for your case. All right, and then that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.